Today we're in Oak Bend, a brand new subdivision that just started by Toll Brothers. They did have Solstice before this, and they're closing out the last 3 or 4 houses over there. And this is their new development just around the corner. Let's take a look at the Cove. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with a den. Let's take a look at it. So it's going to be a little bit better finishes over here in Oak Bend, a little higher end. So you can already see the hurricane impact door with glass. As you come in, lots of accent walls, lots of lights. Off to the left here, we're going to have 2 bedrooms and a bath. Lots of great windows, lots of space. That's a queen size bed. This way the same, lots of recessed light, wonderful hurricane impact windows. And this bathroom is going to have a stand-up shower and tub, and the toilet will be moved closer to the door. It's just ADA compliant because it is the model. As you come in the front, off to the right-hand side, you'll find the laundry room. And you walk into your beautiful kitchen through the hallway here. We have gas, it's a gas community. Nice tall cabinets all the way to the ceiling, wrapped with 4-inch crown. Beautiful open living space here. Dining, built-in cabinets and shelves. A beautiful glass pantry. And this is the den area or 4th bedroom. I'm not seeing a closet, but it might be an option if you need one. Have this beautiful half bath here. Let's take a look at the owner's suite. That is a king size bed, tray ceilings with nice accent ceiling as well. Accent walls. Again, we've got this planked ceramic tile floor. Ample space in here. Spa-like retreat owner's bath with dual vanity sinks, California closet, walk-in shower. Truly comfort luxury here in Wellen Park. Extra large outdoor kitchen. Beautiful cabinet. Wonderful gas grill and hood. We have an outdoor fire pit, jacuzzi tub, and pool. And a beautiful view of the water here. So Oak Bend is shared with ICI, which is a custom home builder. If you take a spin around, you can see that the subdivision has just begun. There's only a couple houses built and ready. ICI is in here, and so is Toll Brothers. Anyways, we're taking a look at this 2,500 square foot house here with a pool. It's move-in ready. Comes with all kinds of incentives. Give me a call to find out more about those, but let's take a look at it. So this is a more upscale neighborhood than Solstice is going to be for Toll Brothers. And the houses kind of resemble that of like a commercial industrial look. Here we have a hurricane impact door with glass, which is really nice. We have this vinyl planked flooring throughout. Off to the left here, we have a front bedroom or office. And again, you can tell the windows are more of that commercial style. And then we have a full bath with stand-up shower here. And a second bedroom here. As we mosey on down the hallway, we have a very gracious laundry room, a half bath here in the hallway, and a den. Here we have a nice deep garage. You can get a couple SUVs in there. And it looks to be 8-foot doors, nice and high. Here we have a hall closet with your air conditioning unit. Here's our living area and our kitchen. This is a gas community. We have solid wood cabinets, soft close, high-end appliances by KitchenAid. Nice dining room here. And this one has a nice covered lanai, fully plumbed here for an outdoor kitchen. And this is the actual home. This is not a model home. So this is your backyard. Off to the left here, we have the 55+ apartment complex there. This is a king-size bed for size. 2 beautiful walk-in closets, his and hers. A wonderful walk-in shower, a sunken-in tub, big picturesque window, so nice. And closet toilet, double vanity, plenty of mirror.
All right, we're at Oak Bend today. This home is around 2,000 square feet. It's a beautiful home built by Toll Brothers. Let's go take a look. This is the Cove model. As you enter in, it has the cathedral elevated entryway. And we have a full bath that is shared between 2 spacious bedrooms. This has the industrial style windows, the vinyl planking throughout. Beautiful gray color goes with any of your interior design. The laundry room has tile and upper cabinets and a built-in hanging rack. Open floor plan, gas range, built-in microwave and oven, all KitchenAid appliances. Have the nice gray cabinets, and then the island is a darker finish. Here we have quite a large pantry and a spacious half bath. Den or office over here on this side with a nice glass door. We have the tray ceiling above the living area. This absolutely beautiful pool. This is an actual home site that you can purchase. This is a relatively new community. It will have extensive trails connecting to Wellen Park and Pool Today Park as one of the amenities. The owner's retreat is at the back of the home with beautiful windows, lighting, and tray ceilings. And the owner's bath has a tiled walk-in shower, double vanity, and quite a large walk-in closet. All right, to find out more about this home or other homes being built in the area, contact David and Christy Griffin Realtors at 361-815-3193.
Today we're in Solstice and Builder Closeout is happening. They only have like 3 or 4 houses left. We're gonna take a look at one without a pool. They're asking $649, but I'm getting them for like $585. That includes golf cart closing costs and a bunch of incentives. Give me a call, David and Christy Griffin Realtors, to learn more about the incentives they're offering here. My number is 361-815-3193. Let's go take a look at it. You notice we have this beautiful 2-car garage, pretty deep. It's long enough you can get a nice long truck in there. Toll Brothers does such a wonderful job with their upgrades, like this glass door here, hurricane impact, and the lighting in their home. They have lots of can lights. Upon entry to the right, you'll see there's 2 bedrooms and a full bath with a stand-up shower. This house is currently under construction, slated to be finished by the end of January. We have a smart home system here on the wall for all the doors, garage door. Here we have the laundry room. And instead of the wire rack, they have the upgraded cabinets, which is a nice upgrade. Off to the left here is going to be the pantry. And then this is the bonus room. But for this particular model, it has a door, a closet, and a half bath. And we have another half bath here for guests. This is the kitchen, under the counter lights, and there's going to be high-end appliances in here, KitchenAid. And all the drawers are the soft close. The outdoors here is pre-plumbed for an outdoor kitchen. You have your sink and all your electric and your gas. This is a gas community. You also see at the top we have our vent. This one probably has the pool pre-package on it as well. And then this is your backyard if you want to put in a pool or an extended lanai. This is the master. I think we might have a worker. Just a stand-up shower and a walk-in closet, double vanity. So this is one of the good deals here in Wellen Park. Give David and Christy Griffin Realtors a call to learn more about this deal and other deals available today. 361-815-3193. Today we're in Solstice looking at these builder closeout deals. The builder is almost finished in here.
All right, let's look at the Mystique model. This is a beautiful brand new construction home. It's 3 bedrooms with a flex.
3 bedrooms with a flex. We have a 2-car garage.
I like the covered entryway.
And to the left here, we have 2 bedrooms and a full bath.
All impact windows. Nice spacious bedrooms. As you enter to the left-hand side, you have the laundry room.
As we come down the hallway here, we'll see to the right-hand side, we have a pantry, a flex room, and a guest bath.
Wonderful quartz countertops, ample storage. This is a gas community, so it has a gas range. Top of the line appliances, built-in oven and microwave, open living space with tray ceilings, recessed lighting, and this absolutely beautiful pool off of the lanai.
We're all plumbed here for an outdoor kitchen, and that includes gas. Over here we have a spa and pool, and a sun deck at the end there. Off the living room area here, we have the owner's suite, which is a very generous sized room with tray ceilings, and an owner's bath, stand-up shower, double vanity. For this and more after Christmas sales, contact
David and Christy Griffin at 361-815-3193.
We would love to do a tour with you or a virtual tour for you.